In the quiet heart of a small town, there lived a boy named Ayan. From the earliest days of his childhood, his parents were the center of his world. His mother, gentle and wise, taught him the value of kindness through her actions, always putting his needs above her own. His father, patient and strong, showed him the importance of hard work, guiding him through life's challenges with a steady hand and an encouraging smile. As Ayan grew older, the world seemed to become larger and more demanding. School, friends, and later work pulled him in different directions. He began to notice that his time with his parents had slowly become less frequent. Yet the love, respect, and care they had given him remained a steady foundation beneath his feet, even when he wasn't always aware of it. One evening, after a particularly long and tiring day, Ayan returned home to find his father waiting for him with a cup of tea. His mother called him to the kitchen, her face lighting up as she prepared his favorite meal. Ayan realized, in that quiet moment, how little he had expressed his gratitude lately. The love and care his parents gave him were constants, but he wondered, did he truly show them the same in return? Determined to change, Ayan began to reflect on how he could give respect, love, and care to his parents, not just in words, but through his actions. Respect, he learned, begins with listening. He noticed how his parents would often share stories from their own youth, tales of struggles and triumphs. Instead of brushing them off as irrelevant, Ayan sat beside them, listening with genuine interest. He asked questions, eager to learn from their experiences. In doing so, he honored their journey and wisdom, making them feel valued. He also realized respect is shown in the small things, addressing them politely, not raising his voice in anger, and considering their opinions before making decisions. When disagreements arose, Ayan remembered to speak calmly and with patience, understanding that respect doesn't mean always agreeing, but rather valuing the other person's perspective. Love, Ayan discovered, is not just a feeling, but an active choice. He started to express his affection openly, hugging his mother before leaving for work, or sending his father a thoughtful message during the day. These gestures, though simple, brought smiles to his parents' faces and warmth to their hearts. He also remembered the importance of spending quality time together. On weekends, Ayan set aside his busy schedule to join his parents for breakfast, take a walk in the park, or watch an old movie together. These shared moments became cherished memories, strengthening the bond between them. Care, Ayan realized, is shown through attentiveness. He noticed the lines of fatigue on his mother's face and the way his father's hands trembled after a long day. He offered to help with household chores, cooked meals when his mother was tired, and accompanied his father to the doctor for regular checkups. When his parents fell ill, Ayan was by their side, providing comfort, medicine, and reassurance. He understood that care meant being present not only in times of joy, but also in moments of vulnerability. Through his actions, he reminded his parents that they were never alone, that their well-being was his priority as much as they had always made his theirs. Ayan also began to appreciate the sacrifices his parents had made for him. He remembered the nights his mother stayed awake by his bedside when he was sick, the mornings his father left early for work to provide for the family. With newfound gratitude, he made it a habit to thank them for all they had done, both in words and in deeds. As time passed, Ayan's efforts did not go unnoticed. His parents, once quietly supportive in the background, now felt loved, respected, and cared for in a way that filled their hearts with pride and happiness. The home became brighter, laughter more frequent, and the bond between them deeper than ever. Through his journey, Ayan learned that giving respect, love, and care to parents is not about grand gestures or expensive gifts. It is about the everyday moments, listening without judgment, speaking with kindness, spending time together, and being present when they need you most. It is about honoring their sacrifices, expressing gratitude, and showing them through actions that they matter. He realized that parents are like the roots of a tree, providing strength and nourishment even when unseen. By loving, respecting, and caring for them, we water those roots, ensuring that the tree of family grows strong and flourishes. Ayan's story is not unique. In every home, parents quietly shape the lives of their children, giving without expecting anything in return. But as children grow and the years pass, it becomes our turn to give back, to be the source of comfort, support, and joy for those who once did the same for us. The lesson is simple, yet profound. To give respect, love, and care to your parents, start with awareness. Notice their needs, listen to their stories, embrace their imperfections, and cherish their presence. Remember, time is the most precious gift of all. Spend it with them, create memories, and let them know every day how much they mean to you. In the end, the cycle of love continues. Just as our parents once held our hands and guided us, so too must we, in turn, hold theirs with gratitude, tenderness, and unwavering respect. For in honoring them, we honor the very roots from which we have grown. So, as you go about your day, pause and think of your parents. Whether they are near or far, young or old, take a moment to reach out. Say thank you, offer a helping hand, listen to their words, and remind them how deeply they are loved. In doing so, you not only enrich their lives, but your own as well. For the respect, love, and care we give to our parents is the greatest legacy we can ever leave.